And there are many questions about these vaccines. We're going to try to answer a few of them right now. Dr. Ernst von Schwarz is back with us this morning. Doctor, good morning. Should you get a COVID-19 vaccine if you've already been infected by the virus?
Yes, I think so. Because at this point, Joe, we really don't know how long the immunity will last if you had COVID before. So the trials have obviously shown that the vaccine is more effective than having had an infection before. So yes.
So, and also, how long does it take to develop the immunity after you get the vaccine? There's also the 2 shots that you have to get for a couple of these.
That's right. So keep in mind that, of course, the shots create an immune response in the body. So the development of antibodies, the development of T helper cells and killer cells, these are different forms which the body has to basically do in order to be prepared if we are exposed to the virus itself. And the studies have shown that after the 2 shots within approximately a week, we will have an appropriate immune response, meaning that we are vaccinated and then immune towards a subsequent infection.
Can an employer force someone to get vaccinated in order to return to work?
I don't think so. I mean, that's regulatory issues, of course, but I think nobody per law can be really enforced or forced to get vaccinated. That's a personal decision. Of course, we encourage that at healthcare providers because we want to get rid of that horrible pandemic. And keep in mind, in order to get rid of it, I mean, the vast majority of the US population should be immunized and vaccinated.
How do we know which vaccine is going to be coming first? Is it all up to the FDA? Is that something that's kind of being decided right now? I know Pfizer's the one they're talking about.
Right now, as you know, the FDA is discussing about the Pfizer BioNTech vaccine, which is a 2-shot messenger RNA vaccine. And then on December 17th, the second candidate, which is a Moderna vaccine, will be discussed by the FDA. So yes, Pfizer's product will be discussed and maybe even decided upon today. And if so, if the FDA will approve the emergency use authorization, then we should be able to get this vaccine within the next few days, actually, in the hospitals.
Dr. Ernst von Schwarz, a great resource for us here on Fox 11. Thanks again for joining us, answering some of our vaccine questions.
Thank you, Joe.